Welcome to Lucidum. In this video, we'll walk through the deployment of Lucidum and the setup of Lucidum's Community Edition license. First, let's launch the Lucidum EC2 instance with the Community product. We highly recommend using Lucidum Terraform scripts for easier and smoother installation. Open your Git bash and clone Lucidum Terraform setup scripts by running this command. Make sure to have the files in your designated folder. Then, modify the Terraform script using a text editor based on your own account information. Make sure to update the script with your subnet ID and the VPC ID. Once that's complete, we're ready to run the Terraform script. We'll run Terraform init to initiate the Terraform setup process. Then, run Terraform plan to preview and validate the actions Terraform is going to take. Finally, run Terraform apply to launch the Lucidum EC2 instance in your AWS account. When prompted, type yes to let Terraform perform the actions. After you see the apply complete message, copy the Lucidum instance public IP address to your web browser, add /cmdb to the end of this IP address, and click enter. Log in to the web UI with the default username and password. Return to the License Management page. Click the Add License button, then click Choose File, and select the license file to upload to the web UI. Now that your Lucidum Community instance is deployed and licensed, you can test connections to the different AWS services. Go to Connection, then Connector Test. Click on Test All under Action to run connection tests. Expand the AWS connector and check the connection status. Now we're ready to start the AWS data injection. Go to Connection, then Airflow Trigger. Click Run under Action to trigger the daily scheduled Docker DAG job. This will run Lucidum AWS data injection and machine learning engines to generate the outputs. Wait until the Docker DAG's status becomes success. Depending on the data volume from your AWS resources, the data injection process may take from 20 minutes up to several hours. After the Airflow job is completed, go to Dashboard under the Lucidum web UI to view summary statistics through the various dashboards and reports. With Lucidum installed and ingesting data, you can perform an unlimited variety of searches using our query builder. Go to the Explore page. Click the menu icon on the right side of the page and select Query Management. A Query Management pop-up window will reveal a library of predefined queries to help you get started. Let's walk through a few useful queries. In the top search box of the Query Management window, locate the query related to overpaid cloud instances. Under the Action menu, click Use This to load the saved query into the Query Builder on the Explore page, and click Run to submit the query. The query results will be shown in the bottom table, which lists all idle, underutilized EC2 instances with high monthly costs. A prime opportunity to reduce your cloud expenses, consolidate instances, and better manage your spend. Security concerns with your cloud deployment? Go into the Query Management again and search for the query on non-encrypted cloud resources. Click Use This and run the query. All non-encrypted AWS resources, such as S3 buckets and EC2 volumes, will be listed in the result table. Finally, let's go back to Query Management and locate the query on public-facing cloud instances. Click Use This and run the query. All public-facing EC2 instances with open inbound access will be listed in the result table. You can use these predefined queries as example templates to build your own use cases and save your queries. As you explore, combine these searches and narrow down your focus on the unknown unknowns no longer hidden from you. Have fun exploring your data in Lucidum. We look forward to seeing you in the forum, and when you're ready to ingest more data, we'd love to introduce you to Lucidum's Enterprise Edition.